The candidate with us is Mr. Akadullah. I'm not going to take his passport or personal information. So let's get started. Okay, so I'd like to let you know that your IELTS speaking test is divided into three parts. In part one, I'm going to ask you some personal question. Following that, there will be part two where you will have to describe a topic for 2 minutes, and then part three. So are you ready?
Yes.
Do you like your hometown?
Yes, I like my hometown because of its friendly community and natural beauty.
What is special about it?
Actually, there are a lot of things that is favorite and best in our hometown. Among them, I would like to mention the sweet of our hometown Pabna.
Oh, that's really.
Okay.
Has it changed over time?
Though I can mention that there are a lot of infrastructure and ancient building. From the colonial time, the name Harding Bridge and some other infrastructure in our country. But the political issues, I think this growth and change is very slow.
Would you like to live there in your future?
Yes, obviously, I would like to stay in my hometown, Pabna, after exploring the world and completing my graduation.
Okay. So this is the end of your part one question. Now I would like to start from part two. So here I'm gonna give you a topic. You can also take some notes. You have 1 minute. So your topic is describe your favorite teacher. Now you have to mention in your answer who they are, what they taught, why you like them, how they influenced you. Did you understand?
Yes, I understand.
So here is your paper. If you want, you can also take some notes.
Okay,
Here is your pen.
thank you.
So your time is up. Now you can begin.
Okay. So now I'd like to talk about a teacher, my favorite teacher, whose name is Alamin, who's a graduate from the University of Rajshahi. I read in my intermediate level after completing my intermediate, and when I took my preparation for admission, then he taught me and he prepared me for the admission test. So in this time, he tried hard and he showed his easiest way to memorizing part, and he tried to understand the depth of English grammar. And after completing my 12 years study, I learned that how to read from this teacher. Before then, I didn't understand how to read. So now I know how to read, and it was very amazing thing to me. And if I want, right now I can read. I can read easily, and there is self preparation. I can take preparation myself, and how it is possible to understand a very new topic. So this thing maybe I learned from my teacher, and he was very polite and very friendly. That is why the lesson was very easy to understand to me.
Thank you very much. So this is the end of your part two. Now I would like to ask you some questions from part three. Okay.
Okay.
So what makes a good teacher?
I think there have some mandatory quality of a teacher. Among them, politeness, patience, and friendly behavior. And I think a teacher must should be an actor.
Okay. Are teachers valued in your country?
If I truly say, in some context, our teacher get value in our country, and the other side, sometimes we find that they don't get their enough payment and their salary and some other opportunities as like other profession.
Okay. So what do you think? How has education changed in your country?
Education, there have a system in our country and there are education system that follow in our country. Especially if I, as a student of English language literature, I want to mention teaching English. They follow grammar and translation method. There is not a proper way to teach students and to learn new language, especially English language. So I think who make this pattern or system, the authority of our country, they should change this system so that student can learn easily by taking different approaches and methods.
Okay, thank you very much. This is the end of your IELTS speaking mock test. You did really well, and I wish all the best in your real exam. Thank you very much.
Thank you.